अस्सलाम वालेकुम डेयर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी 11th चैप्टर 2 बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरसेस की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलते हैं आज के अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। फर्स्ट MCQs इज़ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट इज़ नॉट फाउंड इन ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया? राइबोसोम, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियोइड और कैप्सूल। डेयर ribosomes, cell membranes and nucleoids are fundamental structures present in all bacteria, while a capsule is an optional feature found only in some bacteria outside their cell wall for protection. So exact answer is D option, capsule. Next MCQs is the bacterial chromosome is typically linear, double-stranded DNA. Second option is circular, single-stranded RNA. Third option is circular, double-stranded DNA. And fourth option is linear, single-stranded DNA. There, most bacteria have a single circular double-stranded DNA chromosomes without a nuclear membrane. So, exact answer is C option, circular double-stranded DNA. Next is in bacterial cells, respiration occurs at mitochondria, cell membrane, ribosomes or endoplasmic reticulum. There, bacteria lack mitochondria, so respiratory enzymes are located on the cell membrane. Mesosomes help in this process. So, B option, cell membrane is correct. Next is which group of bacteria is known as good source of antibiotics? Omnibacteria, spirochetes, pseudomonas or actinomycetes. There, actinomycetes, especially streptomyces, are known to produce antibiotics like streptomycin. So, exact answer is D option, actinomycetes. Next is what is the primary function of flagella in bacterial cell? DNA replication, cell division, motility or protein synthesis. There, flagella help bacteria in movement, enabling them to find nutrients or escape danger. So, exact answer is motility. Next is which type of motility in bacteria is mediated by pili? Brownian movement, gliding motility, twitching motility or swarming motility. There, twitching motility is a jerky movement using pili on solid surface. So, exact answer is C option, twitching motility. Next is which of the following bacterial structures is responsible for detecting and responding to chemicals? Capsule, pili, flagella or ribosome. There, flagella responds to a chemical signals, chemotaxis, moving towards or away from them. So, exact answer is C option, flagella. Next is which one of the following are not nitrifying bacteria? Nitrosomonas, nitrobacter, azobacter or pseudomonas. There, pseudomonas is denitrifying, means remove nitrogen from the soil, not nitrifying. Others convert ammonia to nitrite and then nitrate. So, exact answer is pseudomonas. Pseudomonas are not nitrifying bacteria. Next is the enzymes responsible for converting HIV RNA into DNA is RNA polymerase, reverse transcriptase, DNA helicase or integrase. There, HIV is a retrovirus and uses reverse transcriptase to make DNA from its RNA genome. So, exact answer is B option, reverse transcriptase. Next is the HIV capsid contains single-stranded DNA and reverse transcriptase. Second option is single-stranded RNA and reverse transcriptase. Third option is double-stranded DNA and integrase, and fourth option is double-stranded RNA and RNA polymerase. There, HIV capsid has 2 copies of single-stranded RNA प्लस रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज फॉर वायरल रेप्लिकेशन। सो एग्जैक्ट आंसर इज बी ऑप्शन, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए एंड रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज। डेयर ये थे 11th बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 2 बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरसेस की एक्सरसाइज के एमसीक्यूज। इसमें अगर किसी भी किस्म की कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं, मैं रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम किस चैप्टर के शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।